Welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Alu Vadi. For that I have brought the Alu Vadi, the Colcasia leaves. This is the way you get it. Two varieties are available. One is for the Patra and one is for the Bhaji. Now you have to cut the stem, remove the stem and the veins. This portion you have to cut it. Otherwise you will not be able to fold the leaves. See, I have already cut the vein portion, the hard portion of this here. With a sharp knife you have to cut this. I have already cut and kept the leaves here. In a bundle you get around 10 leaves. I am making 2 rolls of 5 leaves each. Now the batter is ready here. For the batter I have taken half cup of besan, that is gram flour, quarter cup jaggery, 2 tablespoons of thick tamarind pulp, pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of Dhania powder and chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as required. Make a thick batter like this. Start applying the batter like this. I have applied on one leaf. Now while keeping the other leaf you have to reverse the side and keep it on top of it. And start applying the batter with your hand. Continue the process till you roll out the patra for steaming. You can keep more than 5 also, so you will get a thick patra. You have to apply the batter on the reverse side of the leaf. After applying the batter, fold from both the sides, then start rolling by taking these sides like this. Roll it tightly. After applying the batter, fold from both the sides like this, then start rolling like this. One roll is ready. If batter remains, you can apply on top of it like this. And I have kept water in the kadai for steaming this. If batter is remaining, coat on top of the leaves like this and steam cook this for 25 to 30 minutes. Cool it, cut it and deep fry or shallow fry as you wish. The Gujarati Patra, Gujarati Snx is very delicious. During rainy season you get this Alu Vadi leaves. You can make utilize of this season. Now coming back to the stem. This stem can be used for making pachdi or put it in sambar. but remember you have to add tamarind, otherwise you will have that itchy feeling. You can peel off the skin and cut it into pieces like this for sambar, or small pieces for pachdi. You can mix this along with red pumpkin and make pachdi out of this, or big cucumber, that is Madras cucumber we say, that also you can use it for making the pachdi. This is cooked nicely. Now we'll cut it and deep fry or shallow fry as per our requirement. I have sliced this. Now this I am going to keep it in the fridge, and whenever I want I can cut it and deep fry or shallow fry it. The pan is hot. Now we'll place the Alu Vadi in it for shallow frying. Cook this both the sides till it is crispy. One side is cooked. Now we'll flip it. You can serve this along with green chutney sauce, or as it is. I'm just sprinkling little roasted sesame seed on top of it. So our Alu Vadi Patra is ready. I had posted one video earlier, long ago, around 10 years back, which was incomplete. So I decided to repost the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment if you are watching my channel for the first time. Do subscribe and press the bell icon, and also that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Enjoy this seasonal dish. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.